Hello, everyone. We are the Moonbridge team, and this is our Web3 based dApp that we have developed. We basically focus on the Moonbeam bridge aggregator and the transaction explorer. As you guys can see, this is the landing page, and it has all of the various features that we will go into more detail.
Okay, so we're going to first talk about the Moonbridge aggregator. Here we can see we have the options to select the network where the tokens are coming and where we want them to go onto. Here we only have the option of Moonbeam because it's just focused on Moonbeam. Here we have all the possible tokens, and here we will have the possible protocols for those tokens. So I'm going to connect my wallet here. And as you can see, it pops up here, and we are currently on Moonbeam. So we are now on Moonbeam, and if I change my network to, for example, Avalanche network, we can see here it updates. So we're going to send an Avalanche transaction. Here we can see the balance that we have now on our account, and we can click it here to set the max value for it. Here we have two options to reach it in signups and multichain. We're going to choose signups, and we're going to send 0.1 AVAX to Moonbeam. Here we can see the protocol fees and the estimated value on arrival to the Moonbeam network. We're going to swap the token. Here we can see the function it's calling. We're going to confirm it, and we're seeing here that it's pending approval in this transaction. We can also see it here on the MetaMask extension. We're going to wait for the transaction to complete. Here we can see it has completed, and we can see it here now on our Explorer. Here we will see the source hash, the destination hash, and as we can see, it's currently pending as the tokens have not arrived yet. Now we will see the Explorer and where we can see all the transactions, all the recent transactions and more information.
So as you guys can see here on the Moonbeam Explorer, we can search for our transaction hash, and we have our table with all of the transaction hash. As you can see, it has the status of the transaction. It can be either pending or complete. It has information such as a protocol, the date, the source change, destination chain, the value sent and the received one, and the coin type. It also has some extra information such as the Moonbeam token price, the bridge transactions that have been done on the last 24 hours, the volume, and the average block time. So these are some extra data that we think can come in handy. So that is basically the use of our whole Web3 dApp that we developed. Right now, we are going to check this transaction hash that we just entered in Explorer. So as you can see, it is still pending, but no, it is already being registered, and we are taking a look at it. We also have some responsiveness. This would be the mobile view. As you can see, we have our nav bar at the top right corner. If we click it, it sends us to the different sections of our web app. So the functionality is, for all devices. So this is basically the whole functionality of our of Moonbridge. We hope you guys all enjoyed it, and that will be all from us.